that one's gonna make it. I started YouTube it.
Against Donovan and them soldier tractors.
It isn't gonna make it. Look how much it's smoking. It's not even hooked up. It's just idle. This one's gonna be loud.
You don't look fast enough to be Donovan.
$710,000. Cooler 2,000 tires in the back.
Yeah, hop up. Stay there. What happened? They're just sitting there.
Sam, don't forget about Sam and telephone, man.
Yeah, you safe, dude? Okay, dude. Later. It's about to start. Na na na.
Alright. Now,
He can go.
no turbocharger.
He can go. He has green.
Different stock 6 diesel power. Left over there goes
Yeah, he has. He's going green too. Both of them have green.
powerhouse of the Deere. John Deere superstar.
Run, run. Oh, he's not gonna make it.
From kryptonite.
No. No. Whoa. Looks like a volcano. Is he gonna hit the gas? I thought it was gonna blow up.
Alright,
Whoa!
that'll heat there. Fire extinguisher
Hey,
right
look,
at
that-
200 foot
that's
mark,
for YouTube.
200
This
foot
is
mark,
good
fire
quality.
extinguisher 200 foot mark.
It lighted on fire finally.
They don't want to spray that fire extinguisher if they don't have to. It makes a heck of a
And that's why the fire truck's over there, Taylor. She okay? I knew it was gonna blow up.
176.37.
I heard it. I was like,
Thanks for the applause, fans. Other than